Today, I want to share a piece of Ilam, Iran with you, a place that feels like a hidden treasure chest of stories, beauty, and the kind of moment that stay with you forever. Come wander with me. First, I visit Lake Black Cow. Have you ever seen water so still it holds the sky like a mirror? This place feels like a sanctuary, a quiet reminder to breathe, to listen, to simply be. One of the Ilam's many wonders is Bahram-e Canyon. These cliffs, named after an ancient Persian hero, rise like giants from the earth. Then I visited the Zayd Canyon. In Zayd Canyon, I found quieter magic. A few red anemones climbing to the rocks, their delicate blooms defining the harsh landscape. I sat down to sketch them, and that's when a curious soul found me. A curious boy approached as I sketched, sharing how he'd rather draw his toy car than play with it. I handed him a pencil and paper, and together we drew. In that moment, art became our shared language. Sometimes the simplest moments remind us why we create, not for perfection, but for connection. Ilam isn't just landscapes, it's people. The Kurdish community here welcomed me with open arms, sharing stories, laughter, and even teaching me a few dance steps. Dancing with them, surrounded by music and mountains, I felt how deeply culture breathes life into this land. Places like Zayd, Bahram-e, Choobin, Kaleh or canyons. They are nature's sculptures. Sketching here felt like tracing the wrinkles of time itself, each line a testament of endurance. When you slow down to draw a place, it becomes more than a view. It becomes a friend. Now, let me take you to Gavmishan Bridge, a marvel that has stood here for over 105,000 years. Imagine the hands that shaped these stones, the feet that crossed its arcs, the centuries of sunrises it's witnessed. It's just a bridge. No, it's a conversation between eras where the past reaches out to meet us. Sketching its curves, I felt the weight of his story not as something distant, but alive. Each stone holds stories of traders, travelers, and time itself. Gavmishan isn't just architecture, it's a testament to how beauty endures. gave me more than sketches. It gave me the feeling of life. Where shall we go next? I'd love to hear your thoughts.